My name is Kim from the Event Planners Association.
I'm Marley from the Party Goddess.
My name is Annette Nath, and my company name is Annette Nath Events.
I'm actually one of the founders, one of the visionaries for this company.
I got involved with the EPA because I really was passionate about being more connected with the event planning industry.
My involvement with the EPA is I'm so excited to launch the New York chapter.
The mission of the association is to provide the foundational elements of a profitable and successful business. Our goal is to really help the small business owners succeed. We began over 7 years ago and really started as a service association to event professionals, providing the legal, the insurance, and marketing services.
Being a member of the EPA can bring you a lot of connections, a lot of peace of mind, and just knowing that there's someone out there that you can reach out to for anything that you could possibly need to put an event together.
The resources they're providing at such an affordable level are just completely unparalleled, totally unheard of in our industry, but definitely unparalleled. And so I just have such great admiration for Kim and everything she's done.
We grew very, very rapidly. We have over 4,000 members across the United States, and our members started asking for networking and education. So in true association fashion, we needed to give our members what they wanted. So we started launching local chapters this year, and they are launching rapidly throughout the country, and they will soon launch internationally.
Not only am I the founder and co-chairman of the New York chapter of the EPA, I also run my own company, and so many things have come to me. It's just amazing. Phone calls I get, you're definitely up front with this.
It's a huge launch. It's such an important city. I mean, every city that they're in which they're members is important, but I think New York is kind of one of those fun places where you can be like, haha, you know, I did it. And I'm just so honored to have been asked to speak and to help them kick this off in really a great way.
The event was beautifully organized.
Well, I thought this event was absolutely awesome, as it was quite informative.
I think everyone was really excited just to hear Marley talk, and she gave a great speech.
We just wanted to say thank you so much to the EPA for inviting us. We really had an enjoyable time.
As one of the founders of the Event Planners Association, I am extremely proud and super excited to launch this chapter. It has been a long time coming and a very big dream of ours to be able to really be involved with event professionals on a face-to-face level and really help them prosper by networking with each other and being involved on a more personal level.
If you have any questions about the EPA, make sure that you talk to Kim. She and her team are so accessible, and you can always find out about industry news, trends, and everything that's going on with the community on Twitter, @EPA Community. So hope to see you on Twitter as well, and hope to see you at one of the next meetings.